put your hands in the air and give me all your money.
This is the story of Marley, Neil Scat from old Chicago town. She was the lead scat. She was the lead scat. She had no heart at all. She was the lead scat. She left her husband flat. She took her boys along. Mama, mama.